Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are making money in the crypto space. Yeah, and I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, and don't take me seriously because I'm not a financial advisor, right? I do this for entertainment. But the video today that I want to do is serious, right? So to me, right, and I want to share it with all of you because while you're making profits and you're or whether you're earning a salary, the fact is that your profits or your salary or your money is being eroded. It's being eroded by inflation. So you need to understand that we are facing a war right now. Okay, things are not what it seems to be. Okay, I'm not going to go into the COVID thing, okay, which is for another time, for another place, not this. This is my digital capitalist channel, and I want to talk some up about inflation, and I want to make you understand and make you realize, and hope you do something about it because it's coming. And I do this for free, right? I don't charge you nothing, and I bring you all the best projects and all that because I want you to be free. That's our birthright as a human being. As long as you're stuck in the 9 to 5 rut, 9 to 5 job, you're never going to be free. Okay, unless it's what you love to do and all that. You're working in McDonald's, you're slogging your ass off. That's not freedom, right? Okay, so let me just make myself into Ant-Man here. Okay, right? And I just want to show you a few things right now. Okay, and I just want you to look at this. Okay, I'm going to show you a few tweets. I'm going to show you a few articles, and I want you to realize that this is serious. Okay, firstly, okay, Eurozone inflation hits a 10-year high ahead of key central bank meeting. The consumer price index CPI year on year rose to 3% in August after 2.2% in July, the highest level since 2011. Okay, guys, this is serious. Okay, this is Jimmy Song. So if you crypto guys might know him, he's a famous Bitcoin maxi, right? Bitcoin maximalist, and he says, I just went shopping for beef, and wow, has that exploded in price. Brisket that was 1.99 pound is 3.99 a pound. Ribeyes that were 7.99 a pound are now 14.99 a pound. Inflation is hitting retail and it's not stopping. Bitcoin or die a monetary death. Okay, so what he's saying is that the money that you're earning, the USD or the Singapore dollar or whatever dollar, is being eaten away. So something that you could buy for 199 is 399, right? It's double already. What was 799 is 1499. So things are getting expensive. Okay, look at this. Singapore. Okay, I'm a Singaporean, so I'll talk about something that's close to the house. Okay, core inflation in Singapore continued its upward trend for the sixth month running in July on the back of a higher electricity and gas cost. Electricity is rising, gas is rising. Core inflation, which excludes accommodation and private road transport costs, rose to 1% on a year-to-year basis. Let's not talk about core inflation. I'm interested in CPI, in overall inflation, right? So overall inflation edged up 2.5% from 2.4% in June. Okay, I don't know whether this is true because you go out there, you want to buy, let's say, a biryani right now, as cheap, the best, one of the most reasonable prices you can get is $7. And that also on shops, when you go there, they put there, we have increased our price, $1, $2, $3. When you go around Singapore, you'll be able to see that. I saw that prices are increasing. I made a video on why Bitcoin is important, why you should be buying Bitcoin. Okay, but the thing is that if you're not into Bitcoin, you must be into saving your money, at least, right? So if you're not into Bitcoin, it's okay. You can have gold or you can have silver, something that is hard money, something that doesn't lose its value over time. This is serious, right? And I'll tell you why. Because like I mentioned earlier, okay, if you read these articles, I'm going to put a link of all the articles that I talk about, right? So in Forbes, they're saying a chain is only strong as its weakest linked, and when it comes to the current state of the global supply chain, weakness is everywhere. Massive dislocations are present in the container market, shipping routes, ports, air cargo, trucking line, railways, and even warehouses. Okay, even warehouses. Okay, the result has created shortages of key manufacturing components, order backlogs, delivery delays, and a spike in transportation costs and consumer prices. Guys, these delays are from COVID. It was from last year. It's all spilling out to this year. This is what is happening right now, right? So container prices are increasing. Container prices used to be like 4,000, 2,000, 3,000. Now they're $6,000, $7,000. This is what is happening in the world, in the world, and we are all affected, right? So like I was saying just now, average price for a Chinese made standard 40 container, a 40-foot container is approaching 6,000, more than double what it was in 2016. So if the container prices go up and the exporter has to jack up his price, right? So the importer that is getting it, he has to jack up his price, and who does he pay to? Right? He checks up his price and he has to pass it on to the consumer mostly. How much can he take? How much can he absorb? How much cost will he absorb? He won't be, and you will be left to bear the brunt, right? Look at this. This is from the Philippines, right? Headline inflation, the rate of increase in the price index of the basket of goods and services soared to 4.9% in August from 4% in July. It also breached the 4.4% market consensus for the period. The August inflation is the highest rate recorded in the 32 months or since the 5.1% clip in December 2018. We are seeing high levels of inflation, and this is going to get worse and worse and worse. I did a video a month ago. I was telling you it's going to increase, and I'm back again to tell you that you better stock up on your food right now. Okay, you look at this. In Ireland, consumers in the Republic could be facing into a period of food price inflation, with an increasing number of agri-food firms reporting a hike in costs, according to a report by Accounting and Professional Service IFAC. More than two-thirds, 71%, reported an increase in costs this year, from transport and energy to raw materials and packaging, an issue in some cases that could contribute to food price inflation in the coming months. It's coming, whether you like it or not, guys. It's coming, you know. Look at this. In German companies in Vietnam look to diversify supply chain due to COVID, right? 90% of German companies in Vietnam are seeking, new or additional suppliers in Asia Pacific due to mobility restrictions in the country. There are bottlenecks. What has led to the current transport problems are lack of freight capacity and containers. Same thing, right? Everyone is saying the same thing. And another article: supply chain squeeze. First cars, now chairs, now cupboard, right? Okay. Across the world, manufacturers of everything from cupboards to cars or computers are still grappling with a logistics crunch that has disrupted supplies of essential inputs, threatening the post-pandemic economic rebound and boosting inflation. Combined with rising consumer demand as economies reopen in Europe, these shortages have led to inflation reaching a decade high, a factor that may lead the European Central Bank to scale back its 1.85 trillion pandemic stimulus program this week. Yeah, so whether you like it or not, or I like it or not, it's going to come. And you need to make sure that you have hard money. That's the whole thing, you know. So stock up on your food, your rice, your grains, your atta, your sugar, salt, whatever, those is essential items, because it's going to go up 100, 200, I don't know how many percent, right? Worst to worst, it happens what, it goes up 20% and all that, but you keep food in your home that lasts you for 6 months. So what, you can still use it slowly, and you can do it. But if it's the worst case scenario and it goes up like 500-600%, you would be extremely happy that you bought it early, and you didn't have to pay so much. Okay, things are getting difficult now. We are moving into a different kind of world. Okay. um Again, that is for another time, another day. Going down into the rabbit hole will be another time. or probably not even on this on YouTube. I'll probably do it on BitChute or Rumble and all that. So follow me. I mean, when I start that, if I decide to start that and all that. So yeah, so that's why I brought this to you. I'm bringing this to your attention again. Okay, buy your essentials, buy Bitcoin, buy gold, buy silver. Hold on to it because we are moving into uncharted waters, right? We have not this is unprecedented. We have never It's never happened what we are going through right now. Okay, and inflation is just a part of it. Okay, there's a lot of other things that is coming. Okay, so I just want to say, please subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think of the video in the comments below. Okay guys, so thanks a lot and namaste. Please support me to grow my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.